Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect to Ford Expedition Bluetooth, step by step. First, make sure your Ford Expedition is safely parked and the ignition is on. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth setting, making it discoverable. Then, navigate to the sync system on your vehicle's touchscreen display. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process. Once you are in the sync menu, look for and select the option labeled Add a Device or simply Phone. The system will then automatically begin searching for any available Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. When your mobile device's name appears on the Expedition screen, go ahead and select it. This action initiates the pairing request between your phone and the vehicle system. After selecting your device, a unique 6-digit PIN will be displayed on both your mobile phone and the Ford Expedition's sync screen. It is very important to carefully verify that these two PINs match exactly. Once you have confirmed they are identical, proceed to confirm the connection on both your phone and the Expedition's display. This step ensures a secure and correct pairing. Congratulations! With your device successfully connected, you can now enjoy hands-free calling and wirelessly stream your favorite audio through your Ford Expedition sound system. The sync system can actually remember and pair with up to 12 different devices. If you ever encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your mobile phone and the Expedition sync system often resolves most problems. Enjoy your connected drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.